It's reality. Scientists have finally discovered the first ever parallel universe. Since the early 1960s, the idea of a parallel universe has been popular among fans of sci-fi TV shows and comic books. And now, a cosmic ray detection experiment has found particles that could be from a parallel universe that was also created by the Big Bang. A team of NASA researchers conducting an experiment in Antarctica experienced something straight out of the Twilight Zone when they discovered proof of a parallel universe with completely different physical laws from our own. Although some scientists dismiss this as science fiction, new evidence is accumulating regarding the reality of parallel universes. So, what exactly are parallel universes, and how do they actually impact you? In this video, we look at how scientists have finally discovered major evidence related to the possible existence of parallel universes. So, let's dive right into the video. In the words of Stephen Hawking, there are billions of stars in our galaxy and hundreds of galaxies. Our universe is just one of many. So what if we told you that there's a parallel universe full of people that look just like you, but who live completely different lives? Imagine that something happened in your life and there are an endless number of possible outcomes, each of which is distinct from the others, but you had no control over which one happened. Even though it sounds scary, it is not impossible to find a copy of yourself or someone you love living in a different universe. This line of thought, also known as the concept of parallel universes, has long been an intriguing one because it calls our understanding of the physical world into question. Some scientists have scoffed at this idea, yet there is growing evidence that parallel universes do exist. It's true that the concept of parallel worlds has been around for a while, but new evidence has prompted scientists to investigate the possibility further as they search for an explanation. NASA has made a discovery in Antarctica that seems to have come straight out of a science fiction plot hole. They found what could be the first practically unexplainable event, suggesting the existence of a parallel universe where time runs backwards and the rules of physics are different from our own. By now, it is very clear that our Earth is a very minute existence in the cosmos, and in spite of all the knowledge humanity has gathered, it is still discovering new revelations every now and then. Sir Isaac Newton rightly said, "What we know is a drop, what we don't know is an ocean." The idea of parallel universes may seem far-fetched, like something out of a movie or fan fiction, but it has piqued the interest of readers and watchers everywhere. Hugh Everett III, a student at Princeton University, came up with the concept of parallel universes in 1954. According to his theory, there may be other universes that branch off from ours, but are otherwise identical to ours. Many worlds hypothesis, developed by Everett, is one of the most convincing attempts to explain the many mysteries of quantum mechanics. Many scientists found unsettling Everett's suggestion that every possible outcome of an event could have been different in another universe at every possible time juncture, including variations as severe as life and death. One of the most promising branches of study in physics is predicated on the theory of everything, and one of its central tenets is the concept of a multiverse. His studies center on a branch of mathematics known as string theory. It demonstrates the abundance of subatomic particles by depicting them as varying notes on a tiny vibrating string. A different particle is associated with each individual resonance in the string. In accordance with physical law, the string's harmonics reflect the ideal state of the universe. The tunes on the string shed light on chemical processes. The cosmos, in this view, is a string quartet. Meanwhile, string theory proposes an endless number of alternate realities, of which our own is but one. According to Everett's many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics, every occurrence in the universe has the potential to give rise to a parallel universe, and hence, a whole new reality. That all possible realities exist simultaneously superimposed, but cannot interact or influence one another, such that a universe in which a car crash actually occurs might be mirrored by another universe in which the car crash does not occur at all, and so on. Other theorists argue that the Big Bang actually created many worlds at once, all of which exist beyond the observable universe. The observable universe began with a hot Big Bang 13.8 billion years ago. Yet this event was not the birth of the universe itself. Cosmic inflation was a very unique period of time in the history of the universe that came before and ultimately led to the Big Bang. Happening when inflation ends, black holes from our universe may theoretically serve as portals to a Big Bang in another universe where light and even time behave differently. That's right, in a parallel universe, there could be a person named you who is completely different from you. The passage of time in these universes may not be linear, and the physical rules governing them may differ greatly from our own. The possibility that our world is but one of infinitely many tiny existences in a vast multiverse web is both mind-boggling and awesome. Recently, it was reported that the Antarctic Impulsive Transient Antenna, or ANITA, has found proof of parallel universes. It's true that the experiment found proof of cosmic ray particles that defies simple physical explanation. The Antarctic Impulse Transient Antenna experiment was dangling from a balloon over Antarctica as scientists prepared to deploy it. Radio waves with a particular set of energies and orientations were detected to be coming from beneath the Antarctic ice by the balloon-based ANITA experiment. Due to their ability to permeate all matter types, neutrinos are incredibly difficult to detect. Many neutrinos pass through Earth because of the Sun, stars, or the Big Bang. Others originate from pulsars, black holes, supernova, or even as yet unidentified sources of powerful astronomical radiation. During the Big Bang, an enormous amount of neutrinos were produced. Due to the expansion of the cosmos, neutrinos have similarly low kinetic energies as the cosmic background radiation. We currently only have a bottom bound on the overall mass in this free-floating ghost gas of neutrinos, but it is still nearly equal to the mass of all the visible stars in the universe. According to this theory, the discovery of high-energy tau neutrinos traveling upward through the Earth indicates that there is no astronomical point source in the universe directly creating the particles seen by ANITA. Neutrinos are typically thought to be coming to Earth from beyond our solar system and being detected as they travel through our planet. However, these neutrinos appear to be originating from within the Earth itself, with no obvious source of emission. For what ANITA observed, there were really only three viable hypotheses. Something exceedingly novel, extraordinary, and beyond the standard model, known as CPT violation, is happening. Alternatively, the particles originated from beyond space. There is a defect in their detector, or their interpretation of the data is incorrect. The history of astronomy is a history of receding horizons. Edwin Hubble. In the past, astronomers believed that the Earth was literally the center of the universe and that there was only one solar system, i.e., our own. Similarly, today's scientific community lives in denial of any other option, believing that our universe is the only one that exists. But it's just a matter of time before we unearth solid proof of the existence of parallel universes or other realities. While it's true that scientists have witnessed certain unexplained occurrences thanks to their experiments in Antarctica, this in no way proves the existence of alternate universes or multiverses. While this certainly casts doubt on the veracity of our current understanding of the laws of physics, it is precisely because of this insatiable human desire for knowledge that we have been able to make the revolutionary discoveries that have made us the masters of every discipline. Attempts to reconcile these two divergent views of the cosmos have left us with many troubling unanswered problems. Could there be a possibility that we do too? I often wonder what our lives would be like if we had taken a different path in life. Partnered up with someone else? Is it possible that significant events in our past could be altered? The separation of time is an illusion that refuses to go away, as Einstein once put it. Maybe there are mirror images of us out there, doing things differently. It's possible that in another reality, where this theory of everything holds true, we are either billionaires planning our next escapade, or homeless panhandlers trying to find a place to sleep tonight. Who knows? A simple quantum fork in the road might have made all the difference. That pretty much wraps this video up, guys. Thanks for watching. So, what are your thoughts about the possible existence of a parallel universe? Share with us in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel with a bell notification if you enjoy watching our content. We upload some awesome stuff here which you will most certainly enjoy. Hit a like on this video and leave a comment below. See you guys in the next one. You guys